Hello everyone, welcome back to OneCodeCamp channel. Today we're diving into the world of Node.js. My name is Ron, and let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what Node.js is and its purpose. Node.js is an open source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. To further understand this, let's break down this definition. Node.js is open source, meaning its source code is freely available for anyone to view, use, modify, and distribute. Being open source encourages collaboration and contributions from the developer community, leading to continuous improvements and enhancements. Node.js is cross-platform, which means it can run on various operating systems, such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. This cross-platform compatibility allows developers to write and deploy Node.js applications on different environments without significant modifications. Node.js provides an environment for executing JavaScript code outside of a browser, similar to how browsers execute JavaScript on the client side. The runtime environment includes necessary tools, libraries, and resources to run JavaScript code on servers or other platforms. This allows us to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser, directly on the server side. Think of it as a standalone server that understands and runs JavaScript code. To make it simply, this allows us to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser, directly on the server side. Think of it as a standalone server that understands and runs JavaScript code. To further understand this, let's talk about the Chrome V8 engine. Node.js is a server-side JavaScript runtime environment that uses the Chrome V8 engine to execute JavaScript code outside of the browsers. It is designed to handle incoming requests from the users, process those requests, and generate responses to be sent back to the respective users. Node.js utilizes the Chrome V8 engine as its JavaScript runtime, which means it can execute JavaScript code with the same speed and efficiency as the Google Chrome browser. V8 enables Node.js to handle incoming requests, process data, and execute business logic on the server side, making it suitable for building scalable and real-time applications. The use of V8 also allows Node.js to benefit from the ongoing improvements and optimizations made to the V8 engine by the Google Chrome team and the broader open source community. In summary, the relationship between Node.js and the Chrome V8 engine is foundational to Node.js' ability to execute JavaScript code on the server side efficiently. V8 acts as a runtime environment for Node.js, providing the necessary tools and performance optimizations to make Node.js a popular choice for building server-side applications and real-time systems. By allowing JavaScript to run on the server side, Node.js opens up exciting possibilities for web development. It breaks down the barrier between the front-end and the back-end development, enabling developers to use a unified language across the entire stack. That being said, whether you are a front-end developer looking to expand your skill set or a back-end developer seeking for a more efficient and scalable environment, Node.js offers a compelling solution. So why was Node.js created in the first place? Well, traditional web servers like Apache or Nginx have limitations when it comes to handling multiple concurrent connections. Node.js was designed to address this problem by adopting the non-blocking I/O model. This means that it can efficiently handle many simultaneously connections without getting bogged down. Node.js is especially powerful for real-time applications that require fast and asynchronous communication. Now let's take a look at some of the key features that make Node.js stand out from other server-side technologies. First, we have the single-threaded and non-blocking I/O. And after that, we can use the NPM or Node Package Manager. And lastly, we have the server-side JavaScript. First, let's talk about the single-threaded and non-blocking I/O model. Node.js uses a single-threaded event loop architecture. This allows it to handle multiple requests simultaneously without creating separate threads for each connection. As a result, Node.js is incredibly efficient in handling a large number of concurrent operations. Now let's talk about the NPM or the Node Package Manager. One of the biggest strengths of Node.js is its extensive package ecosystem through NPM. The Node Package Manager or the NPM provides access to thousands of reusable libraries, frameworks, and tools, making it easier for developers to build complex applications quickly. And lastly, the server-side JavaScript. With Node.js, you can use JavaScript on both the client side and the server side. This is a game changer as it allows developers to have unified code base and share code between the front end and the back end. Using Node.js for web development comes with a host of advantages that make it a preferred choice for many developers. First, we have the speed and performance. Since Node.js is a non-blocking I/O model, it ensures that it can handle a large number of concurrent connections efficiently, leading to a faster response times and better overall performance. First, we have the speed and performance. Since Node.js is a non-blocking I/O model, it ensures that it can handle a large number of concurrent connections efficiently, leading to a faster response times and better overall experience. Node.js also comes with scalability. Due to its single-threaded, event-driven architecture, Node.js is highly scalable. It can handle an increasing number of users and connections without sacrificing performance. Another advantage is the large ecosystem. The Node.js community has created an extensive ecosystem of packages through NPM. This wealth of libraries and tools simplifies development, allowing developers to focus on building features rather than reinventing the wheel. And also the real-time applications. Node.js is an excellent choice for real-time applications like chat platforms, collaborative tools, gaming servers, and streaming services where instant and asynchronous communication is crucial. Now that we understand the advantages of Node.js, let's see some real-world examples of application that utilizes Node.js. First, we have the web servers. Node.js is commonly used to power modern web servers. Frameworks like Express.js make it easy to build robust and scalable web applications. Streaming platforms that require real-time data processing and delivery often rely on Node.js to handle the constant flow of information. And we also have the collaborative apps. Applications that involve real-time collaboration such as collaborative code editors or project management tools leverage Node.js for seamless communication between users. And of course, we have the chat applications. Real-time chat applications are a classic example of Node.js in action. Its ability to handle multiple concurrent connections make it a top choice for building instant messaging platform. That concludes our introduction to Node.js. We've covered what Node.js is, its purpose, key features, advantages, and real-world examples of its applications. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the various aspects of Node.js and explore how to build exciting projects using this powerful technology. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials on Node.js and other web development topics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.